TV! Hello everybody, today I'm trying to fix this piece of steak. This piece of steak is actually a cow. There's a lot of pieces here and altogether there's 37 pieces. As you can see, I will explain all the pieces there are. There are the right horn, left horn, the skull, the ribs, the head, the body, shank 1, shank 2, shank 3, shank 4 and the tail. Now for the meat pieces, we have the chuck eye roll, brisket, Spencer roll, tenderloin, neck, sirloin, boneless short ribs, rump, clot, chuck rib, boneless short rib, top round, and bottom round. For the organ pieces, there is the cheeks, the tongue, the heart, the lung, the outside skirt, the first stomach, the second stomach, the liver, the third stomach, the fourth stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. Now I can start to assemble the pieces. Here is the body. These are the legs. Then we can attach it to the body. Here is the shank. I should attach this over here. And I can attach the other one here. The back legs are done, so now I can fix the front part. Now you have one more leg to go. See, now we are done with the body. For the body, you have to put in the tail. Now we can put in all the organ pieces. First, you have to put in the heart. The heart is this organ. It goes here. Second, we have to put the first stomach. The first stomach is right above the heart. Now we have to put the second stomach. The second stomach is right below the first stomach. Followed by the third stomach. It is right next to the second stomach and almost similar in shape. Last but not least, the fourth stomach. It kind of looks like a butterfly fleece to me. Okay, now let's get on. This is the outside skirt. You have to put it between the first stomach and the heart. It goes here. Now we can put in the small intestine. The small intestine comes next behind the fourth stomach. And behind the small intestine, we have the large intestine. It goes here. And next, you have to put in the liver, which is below the second stomach and the third stomach, and next to the outside skirt. Last but not least, the last organ is the lung. You have to put it right below the heart. And now we are done. Now we are done with the organ pieces. We have the bone sheet here. The bone sheet goes between the organ and the meat pieces. Now we can put it here. Done. We are done with putting the bone sheet. Now we can put all the meat pieces. First of all, we will put in the rump. The rump goes at the top right hand corner. Second, we will put in the bottom round. The bottom round touches the rump. And in between the bottom rump, we will put the top round. Second, we will put the sirloin. The sirloin goes right next to the rump and on top of the top round. Second, we will put the short rib. The short rib will go right next to the bottom round. Next, we will put the boneless short rib. The boneless short rib goes on top of the short rib. And there's something on top of it too. The one on top of the boneless short rib is the boneless short ribs. It goes here. Second, we put the clot. The clot will go next to the short rib. It is very small. Next, we will put the chuck rib. The chuck rib goes right 1/4 above the clot. Next, we will put the small brisket that covers the clot. Next, we will put the chuck eye roll. The chuck eye roll covers the whole brisket and 1/3 of the chuck rib. Next, we will put in the Spencer roll. The Spencer roll goes next to the chuck roll and helps the chuck eye roll. Then the Spencer roll will cover completely the chuck rib. Last but not least, we will put the tenderloin. The tenderloin fills up the remaining space in the meat in the body. And now we are done. We are done with the whole cow's body. Now we can put in the ribs. Done. Now we have to put in the head. We have to put in the tongue. The tongue goes in between the cow's head. Done. Now let's put in the skull. It goes here. Now let's put the skull and the head together. And you're done. You're done with the whole cow. There's a head. The head is attached to the body and the tail is attached also to the body. Now there's 2 remaining pieces left. The neck and the cheeks. The cheeks go here beside the head. And guess where the neck goes? The neck goes behind the skull and the head. And you're done. You are done with this piece of steak. Thank you everyone and goodbye.